Yeah, all right, mate. So thoughts on AKRO? Will there be a drop and pop kind of play? I'm probably too late for this. This is early on today, 7 hours ago, but we'll look at it anyway. AKRO is one of the coins that I was really looking to accumulate. I always wanted to spike down below these lows here. This I must have drew this. I don't know when I drew this, but look what this hit. This hit almost perfect. I wanted to aim it up into the top end of here, but it never got low enough down into. I seen this break up, and I wanted a bit of a lower retrace to stop on here or into double bottom of this low here, but it never came down, but it got the bloody move up. That was a 50% move the other day, and it was one of the coins that I really wanted to accumulate. Maybe later, if it gives the opportunity. If we do come down here below here, like I love that test pump there, and I regret I wanted to buy it, and I wanted to buy it, and I wanted to buy it, and I never pulled the trigger. So it's one of those frustrating ones for myself. It feels like my coins have just been so steady recently. They haven't gone up, they haven't gone down. They've just been chopping sideways. But that's just the nature of the beast, I suppose. Not that many coins have even gone up or down. They've just all went sideways. So you were looking for kind of drop and pop. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, see the way this consolidates here. I don't like that for a drop and pop. A drop and pop often happens on the one day, the same day. Well, I don't know what time frame are you on there? Oh, you're on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, well, I prefer the 10-minute, but I don't even know if I have a 15-minute. I do have a 15-minute. So I see what you're looking at there. I prefer to use a 10-minute. Now the thing is, when this drops here on a single day, it's better when it drops on a single day. And then gets the pop up. Well, the reason being, VWAP. Is VWAP? VPVR. Where is my VWAP? Why is that not on? Yeah. So you see here this drop. If it was on the same day, there's more chance the price can move into VWAP up here, right? On the same day. That's for a drop and pop play. But when VWAP changes, the fact of the matter is, when a new day happens, VWAP drops down to here, right? The target is eliminated. There's no VWAP up there anymore. Now, don't get me wrong. You can kind of extrapolate or bring out the VWAP out to here to say that this is going to eventually target here, right? That's a possibility. We have now stop hunted the lows here, but the price may want to come up and target the old trajectory of VWAP. But as far as the drop and pop play goes, you want it all to happen on the same day. You want to get the pump, you want to get the pullback, you want to get the bounce back into VWAP. You can see VWAP coming over price here. VWAP will be coming down here or whatever, and you want to target. This is the red 200 moving average down here. If I color that red, right? Price drops to the red 200. So you got that part. You were all over that part. That was good. Now I don't like to see consolidation here. If you get consolidation there, it's not so good. Why is that not bouncing? Right? You have to ask yourself, why is it not bouncing? Sometimes it does bounce, but for a drop and pop play, it usually drops, hits the red 200, and gets a reaction off that and bounces fairly quick. If you're getting consolidation here, it's probably not going to be a drop and pop play. Okay, it may come up the next day or something else, but it's technically not a drop and pop. So you want it all to happen on the same day. Technically, you get the big move up, you get the pullback into the red 200 moving average, and then you get the bounce retrace back up into VWAP. Okay, all on the same day. See, that's a new day here because you can see VWAP dropped. VWAP drops down on a new day, and the drop and pop play didn't have time to play out. Once you start consolidating here, you have to be concerned that there might be a flush of the lows for a start. And yes, there is a pressure cooker. That's well spotted on that as well. that can cause some sort of reaction and some sort of bounce when we try and get above that. Like if you had accumulated here, of course you're already in profit. It's moved up because of this, but it's fantastic to understand this here. Now that doesn't always have to play out, but like you can see here, there's two of them here as well. You can see there and here, right? They're over the top of price, and the red 200 is underneath price. That's a very powerful pattern right here. When this is curling over the top of price, and this is underneath price, because once price gets above any move above here at all, it's above all moving averages, supported by all moving averages. So it means that price cannot drop very easily. And then even here, look at this pressure cooker, right? So look at this pressure cooker here, and it looks like there was one here as well. Look at the one right here. And why is it so powerful? Well, it's so powerful because price comes down and comes underneath price. This will want to come down, and this will want to drop down. And once it does drop down, it means it's supporting price. And that is I probably should have some sort of an alert going for. We did try to build it before. It's not easy to build because not all of them are perfect. But you can see here when this crosses the yellow, that's now underneath price. So if it crosses this bar right here, it's underneath all of this price. Okay, so that's a very good time to be attempting to get long because the moving averages are below price. Yes, the purple was actually above price there, but that's what I'm saying. It's not always perfect, right? And the purple was a bit late here as well. And if we had an alert built, you can see if, oh well, I suppose there again, the white 100 crossing the yellow here after a pressure cooker. As soon as you get a pressure cooker and the white 100 crosses the yellow, that's a time to be interested. Look at it crossing the yellow right here. That's a time to be interested in getting on board. If we keep going back here, you can see that the pressure cooker here, but the whole way, when the white 100 crosses the yellow, that's the time to be getting on board. Is there any more examples? Ooh, not really there. Nah. Well, here, when the white 100 crossed the yellow, I mean, there was a little pump, but see, it's late to the party there, and that's a bit of a fake out, and it actually went lower. So you can see there, that's not a good one. Overall, this still is and should be bullish. Like, there should be another move. In theory, there can be something like that. If this forms a small candle like that, dips here, in theory, should be buys for continued move up. We're very well above all moving averages here, and it probably shouldn't leave this wick unfilled. So it kind of means that this pressure cooker here that we were looking at probably should play out at some point. This pressure cooker here, any dips back down here in the near future are probably buys for that move back up.